find out and fix errors in the program. Instruct Joey to first jump twice and then walk 3 steps. Here we have to first instruct Joey to jump 2 times and after that walk 3 times. Let's click on Open Code Editor to check the instruction blocks given and fix the error. Okay, let us look at the solution. The stop block is missing at the end, so let us add that first. When we click on Execute button, after adding stop, the program runs successfully. But gives a warning message that task not executed correctly. Let us find out why. Remember, our task is to make Joey to jump twice to begin with and walk thrice after jumping. So we need to rearrange the given instruction blocks. After placing Start block and Jump block, drag and drop another Jump block below. Then place 3 Walk blocks below Jump and finally add Stop.